Trey Holiday, I'm the superintendent of Athens City Schools. I've accepted the challenge from Jennifer Williamson. And I am challenging Mike Bishop, principal of Athens Middle School, Philip Jarman, principal of Athens Intermediate School, and Chris Boland, principal of Athens High School, to take the challenge.
I'm Tom Smith, superintendent of Limestone County Schools, and I've accepted the same challenge. I am going to challenge the principal of Ardmore High School, Mr. Tommy Hunter, our secondary principal of the year, and Mr. Randy Hamilton, principal of Blue Springs Elementary, our elementary principal of the year, to take the challenge.
All right, let's jump on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Well now.
Good job.
That wasn't nice.